Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a transit visa to Canada using your IRCC portal. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, the very first thing I have done is that I have logged in into IRCC portal account. So if you are going through this method, it is a must that you have this IRCC portal credentials. If you don't know how to create this account, I'm going to include a link in the description that you can watch. Anyway, when you come here on the main page itself, we have a way apply for a visitor visa or transit visa. Click on this. Okay. So you need to read all this and understand and then click on start application. It is asking, do you want to apply for more than one person at the same time? Generally, it happens with family or groups. Okay. Like let's say a couple of families going, then they generally look for this option. But for the purpose of this video, let's say there's only one applicant. So I select no. Apply to visit Canada the 10%. I select transit visa. What exactly want to do? Transit through Canada by air between two international flights for less than 48 hours. I select. So you need to provide dates that on this date you are reaching and you'll have another flight after these many hours. Like write down in details because this is just a like sample. I'm just doing this, but provide full details like you're coming here on this date and this is gonna be your transit time and this is the flight you are taking, the flight number, everything. Okay. When will you enter Canada? I select this. Let's say you are entering on June 30. When will you do? Let's say same day you are leaving. If you have ever applied to Canada before, you have a UCI, unique client identifier. If you can check all the communication if you have ever applied before to Canada. In all communication with IRCC, you're gonna find it, and it's an optional value. But anyway, they're gonna find it out, so there's no point in hiding it. But because of sample video, I left it. You have selected apply. Okay, so you can read this. What are the things they need? They need valid passport or travel document and some other details they are gonna need. Okay, so now continue. I honestly guys, I like this method because in this method you fill web forms rather than PDF forms. Are you applying on behalf of someone else? I select no, like you have no representative. So I'm putting sample to do it as per your surname. So I'm putting given name. Date of birth. Do it as per, let's say, gender. What document are you traveling with? Passport, other travel document. I select passport. Regular. Select the country code that matches. What is the nationality on your passport? What's your passport or travel document number? I mean, check everything very clearly. Any information you put in here, verify at least 2 times. Can I copy paste? I hope so. Otherwise, I have to type. I cannot. Date of issue. Are you a US green card holder? I select no. Have you held a current or visitor visa in past 10 years? I select no. Do you currently hold a valid US non-immigrant visa? I select no. Are you traveling to Canada by air? I select yes. Your country where you were born? city and town where you were born. Are you citizen of more than one country or territory? I select no. Which country or territory you are citizen of? So I select India. I am a citizen of this country since birth. Okay. Do you have valid national identity number? I select no, but if you have, definitely. Have you used another name in past? I select no. What's your residential address? So I'm putting a sample Indian address, but you know your address, so provide carefully. Town. Is your mailing address same as your residential address? Select yes. This your current country or territory of residence. Then add all other countries or territories where you have lived for past 5 years for more than 6 years. Select a country. Let's say this guy has never left India. Citizen. Let's say like he's there by birth. Let's say okay. I click on 7, continue. Biometrics in last years, had 10 years, have you provided your biometrics? I select no, because let's say it's first application. How much money would you need for a stay in Canada? Just I'll put. Is someone giving you money for your stay? I select no. Education, post-secondary. Have you ever studied a post-secondary institution, university, college? Completed. I select yes. Give details. So let's say he studied. I'm just putting sample institution name. Level of study. Field of study. Address. Of course, you know your institution name. Street address. City or town. uh, Military or police history. Did you serve in military, any military, militia, civil defense, security organization, or police force? I select no. Uh, Employment or work history. Do not include any entries that you already put for post-secondary education, military or police history. Okay. So we have given 20 up to 2022 May we gave, so June will go. And I can go ongoing. Work activity. I can say I'll select job title. Wow. Company. Do everything as per your case, not like this. Main duties, provide brief duties. Okay, don't do like this. I'm just putting select a country. Of course, you know your employment address. In past 5 years, have you traveled to country territory? other than the one where you are citizen or where you live now? I select no. Have you ever stayed in Canada beyond the validity of your status? I select no. Have you ever been refused a visa or permit denied entry in order to leave any country or territory? I select no. Criminality. Have you ever committed any crime? Territory. I select no. Have you ever been arrested? Have you ever been charged? Convicted? I select no, but you read and understand and then you do. Have been members of a political party or group or nation which has engaged in advanced violence? I select no. Treatment of prisoners or civilians? I select no. Medical background. Have you had a medical exam performed by an IRCC authorized panel physician? I select no. In past 2 years, were you diagnosed with tuberculosis? 5 years, have you been in close contact with person? No. Are you condition dialysis, drug or alcohol addiction, mental health, diagnosis syphilis? Select no. What is the mental state? I select single, but whatever it is, do it as per your own case. Do you have any biological adopted or stepchildren? I select no. Yeah, you need to do as per your case. And if you're adopted, provided your legal parents. If you don't know about your parents, you check it. But if you have mostly people will know you know about your parents, right? In most of the cases, so right. Peter Smith. I select father. So let's say his father was born in 1978. Okay. I'll make it a bit more. 5. Country or territory of birth. If they are deceased, you can check this box. Present occupation. I'll just can I find? Sure. Does the parent have the same address? Yes. Will this parent come to you with you to Canada? I select no. Okay. Now you can add. Let's say he has a mother whose name is Mara Smith. She was born in 1977. Territory of birth, present occupation. She, I'll just say homemaker. Same address, yes. What is your native language? I select Hindi. Can you communicate in English or French? I select English. Which language do you want us to use to contact you? Select English. Email address. Okay. I'm putting sample, but you do properly. Okay. Not with this because they are going to communicate here with you. Let me see if we can copy and paste. Most probably no, but I was correct. Telephone number of the applicant. One is required minimum. Select telephone number country, other country. Dial code. So for India, it's 91 and phone number. A sample. Not more than summary. Here you can check everything. Again, anything that you have written, you should check 2 tabs. You can click on expand all and see all the answers you have submitted. You can go. Okay. Now you need to upload documents. Let's see what they have. They have asked for travel itinerary, passport or travel document like tickets that you have booked that you should do. Optional consent personal information. If you authorize, why not? Employment letter, valid with the final destination wherever you are going. Any additional document or explanation you think may assist. So once you upload all the mandatory slots, you will have save and continue enabled. Will go there, pay, and then you will digitally sign. You will digitally sign and pay, and then your application will be submitted. And once granted, you are all good to go. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.